Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very so much. Good. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are gathered here to celebrate especially the birth anniversary, 129th birth anniversary of our great freedom fighter, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, not only a great freedom fighter, he was a big fighter and a fearless leader. So at this moment, I would like to invite Mr. Ritam Bishas, so please start your beautiful speech and try to say something about the history, about the life history of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Please start your beautiful speech.
Good evening, everyone. It's a great
Speak
honor
up.
to me to stand in front of you. Today, I'm going to speak a few words about our great hero, our great freedom fighter, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a great son of our lovely country, India. He was born on 23rd January in 1897 at Kotok, Indonesia. His father's name was Janukinath Bose and his mother's name was Bhavati Devi. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a brilliant student at his school and in college. He graduated from Scottish Church College. He made to India to be free. He believed in complete independence. That's why he founded the Indian National Army Azad Hind Fauj. This helped India to be free. Thank you, everyone. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Jai Hind Bados. Please salute. Let's begin for his very good job. Thank you very so much. খুব সুন্দর বলেছে, যথাসাধ্য চেষ্টা করেছে, নিজেকে উজাড় করে দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করেছে এবং এইভাবে যদি সে নিজেকে কন্টিনিউ করতে পারে, আজ যতটা ভালো হয়েছে ইন ফিউচারে আরো ভালো হবে, অনেক ভালো হবে। আপনারা প্রাণ খোলা আশীর্বাদ করবেন ওর জন্য। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি সো মাচ ওয়ান্স अगेन। প্লিজ লেটস বিগিন।